All right, guys, we're going to show you. If you own one of these S197
now,
cars,
this is not the prettiest. We're just showing you.
We're just showing. But actually, it has to be 11 to 14, doesn't it? Or no, 13, 14.
It's got to be 13, 14.
Yeah. All right, Ken, so what are we doing here, dude?
Putting an engine in.
Nice. Like
a 321.
Okay.
So Gen 3 short block, Gen 2 heads,
and
Gen 1 cams and timing components, but the only thing is it's got comp stage 3 cams in it.
Oh, okay. Really? Dude, this thing's gonna move. Is it a 6R80 car?
It's a manual.
Okay. Looking good.
The MT82 still.
See, everybody says they're junk, but you know
they work.
Yeah.
And now the 18 up with the aluminum shift works,
yeah. You learned that lesson the hard way, didn't you?
Is that a I learned that lesson very hard. I'm gonna do that.
Hey, you might just saying.
Yeah, just a little.
Just a little.
Well, we jacked the front.
Oh, okay. Okay, you're good. Man, this thing is sharp though. It is. Boiler attacks on it.
I guess whenever people talk about the MT82, they're kickbox.
Well, you know what happens is you hear it, somebody sees it somewhere on the internet that they're junk, and then all of a sudden it becomes law. You know, oh, I heard it on the internet. Congratulations.
Abraham Lincoln said that you can't believe everything you hear on the internet.
Yeah.
Nah, George Washington. George Washington.
Yeah, you know.
That was a pretty badass ride, though. I dig it.
It's sitting a little lower now.
Don't do that door. Careful with the door. That fender life, guys. Gotta love it.
I got a CJ mount with a monoplate.
I didn't think it moved anyhow. You ain't gonna hurt it. You say it ain't gonna move? Yeah. Sounds good anyway.
That sounds good, yeah. What are you doing there? Doing something maybe.
Hey, oh, it's close. Ah! Yeah, whoa! You didn't need that bumper cover anyway. It's weight reduction, right?
It's here for restoration.
Right.
Front end off.
And I like them ramps.
Very nice.
Yeah, about 10 feet long. That's the ones we need. All right, boys, here it comes. The first S197 ever in the shop. Guess we're doing a motor swap on this bad boy. I'm gonna supervise. You guys are doing great. You're doing a freaking phenomenal job, Ken. Thumbs up, buddy.
As always, holding the camera, not doing any work.
Hey, it says the guy sitting in the car.
Hey, I'm the lighter. I'm the lighter.
I don't know about that. Ken, that COVID-19's put a few on you there, buddy. Luckily, it's nice and flat through here. She goes right in. Come on. Should be good right there. Oh, too far.
We should back so we can get out.
And
Yeah, I'm too old to be doing a boat.
that should be right about there. Oh, God bless. This is low.
It's swapped already.
All right, guys, real quick. Ken's gonna show us what we got going on here. Oh, look at there. Dude, I need that manifold. You can just leave that here if you want.
Leave that there.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, and so you're doing a 3-2-1 setup.
Correct.
Okay, and guys, here's the deal. They're doing the entire swap on Speed Addict 731's channel, and you built the engine on your channel, which is Street Slayers.
Correct.
So yeah, go check them out, guys. If you want to see this whole engine swap done, go check them out. But so you already got long tubes on it.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, you're good to go. I was gonna say you're not pulling this engine without putting long tubes on it. Come on now.
No.
But this is gonna be a little I'm interested to see what the dyno numbers are, really, because the 3-2-1 combo really seems like it is what it is.
With the stage 3 cams.
Ooh,
So,
yeah,
so
nice.
it's gonna be.
All right, guys, we're gonna show you if you own one of these S197
Now,
cars.
This is not the prettiest. We're just showing you.
We're just showing, but actually it has to be 11 to 14, doesn't it? Or no, 13, 14.
It's gotta be 13, 14.
Yeah.
It's gotta be these tail lights. This ain't the prettiest.
All right, Ken, do us proud here. You got to have this headlight mod, especially if you do a little racing in Mexico, you know.
It's not the prettiest, but it's gonna work. we can turn out the lights, can't we, over?
Oh, it'll show. It'll show good.
All right, what did y'all talk me into over here?
Really, all you got to do is get some pinstriping, but Ken's about to show you what.
Well,
we're
we ain't
working
got
at
that.
here.
We ain't got the pinstripe. We ain't got everything here, so.
Got it. All right, Ken has made the official modification. You see, we just put some tape. We ain't got to do both. We got to do both.
Oh, it's okay. Now
We're holding up progress here.
we gotta hit the brake light.
Yeah, it should come on if you just open the door, doesn't it?
I think so. Yeah, open the door.
Yeah. Look at that.
Hold on.
I freaking love it.
I gotta make it a little better right there. Hold on.
So there you go, guys. When you're street racing and you pass them, just flash your LOL at them.
Hey, hold on. There
I
we go.
can't guarantee they won't follow you to the next gas station and try to jerk you out of the car, though.
That is tempting.
Hold on. Let me open the door again. You come back on?
No.
Oh,
There it is.
That is temporarily permanent.
I love it. All right, so this is the Bullet right here. And guys, if you are wanting to check this thing out on the track with the new combo, he'll be a four takeover running. Yeah. Cool. I love it.
Good, Caleb filming. Look at this, guys. Caleb.
Yeah,
filming.
dude. I'm natural in my habitat. All right, Ken, we got to check this engine out.
Letting loose of the engine, pulling it out.
Very nice. Gen 3 short block, Gen 2 heads, and Gen 1 comp.
Stage 3 cams.
Comp stage 3 cams. Okay.
Yeah.
This thing's gonna hit a lick then.
It's known on the internet as a 3-2-1.
3-2-1.
Yep.
Yeah, that's what Frank calls it too. Power by the hour.
I call
It's
it
actually-
1, 2,
1, 2, 3. Because Dover's got to be a rebel. You know, always got to be a rebel.
All right, guys, here we go. Oh, it's all safe. Oh, it's covered up.
Come
It's
on.
like you drove down here in rain and something.
You had one job.
I figured I would just stick with the Gen 3 oil pan.
Oh, yeah.
That's awesome, dude. That is friggin' awesome.
The reason I decided to go with this is not only, you know, I like the NA game because it's actually very competitive. There's a lot of people that are really into it right now. But when I do decide to go to boost, these Gen 3s are holding 800 plus with no problem.
Next turn? Yeah. All right, boys, current situation. Steve has just about got the cage done. Actually, it is pretty well. It's done on Corey's car, which I showed you when he first started on it. So we on the way to lunch, we're gonna stop by and check this thing out because it's looking good. Again, guys, if you're at Ford Takeover, you're gonna get to see it too. But Steve like outdid himself.
Oh, yes.
Like
whole nother level.
yeah, Steve is a craftsman. You know, you wouldn't know it to look at him, but he'll watch the movie too, the video. But we're just about there. We're gonna check this cage out, and it looks great. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Look how much swing you got.
All right, Corey. Are you excited?
I'm really excited. Corey, what's up, dude?
Okay.
Looking good.
Before we show everything here, are you ready? You got everything wiped down? You ready to rock?
Yeah, hold on, man.
Okay, hold on, guys. We're not going to show it until Corey's ready. All right, guys. This is Sarah, and she's got to introduce Sam. Are you ready, Sarah? You're not ready? You're not ready? Okay. Well, she's not going to introduce Sam, but there's Sam, guys. He watches over the cars while Steve isn't here. All right, guys, real quick, start back here. Got the nitrous bottle is mounted. Got the battery kind of sunk down in the back. And the Kirky seats. All right, Sarah, how do you like the Kirky seats? Are they comfortable? You want to show them off? No? Okay. But yeah, Kirky seats and got new carpet. Man, looks good, doesn't it? You like it? Yeah? Somewhat. So you helped with this roll cage? You did? No? Okay.
She did.
Wow. Hey, this thing is ready just in time. See, you can hang the GoPro right there and jeez. Yeah, pretty much anywhere.
We're going to hang behind it so you can see all the cars that I passed.
Hey, you got the bottle filled?
No.
We got like 2.5 weeks and it's time.
I'll have to do it. Yeah, most definitely.
Oh man. Yeah, boy. And how much weight did you ever how much weight you reckon come out of it? Quite a bit of weight though. And it's gonna be a lot faster, a lot more rigid and safer. Safe is good, you know.
Seats was 30 pounds, I think.
60.
Yeah.
Yeah, 62 pounds a piece is
What the seats weigh?
The other seats had it.
Jeez. That is crazy. So yeah, guys, it's lighter, it's more rigid, it's safer. I mean, this came out great. All right, guys, I'm gonna try these Kirkies out. Maybe we'll just go full send. I'll put some of these Kirkies in my car, you know.
They're freaking nice.
Shoot, man, I like that.
I told you.
Jeez, that is solid, man.
That's a race.
This is sweet, dude.
Yeah, it is.
This is freaking sweet.
Looks real good.
Cage. I like this too. See, I can hang a GoPro right there too, and you can show them as you pass them.
Ain't that nice.
Look, Corey, hang one right here and show who you're gapping on the. Yeah, no. Hold on, man. Hey, if we race, the bottle comes completely out of the car. Deal?
Oh, deal.
Well, okay. Solid mount to the floor.
That's mine to the cage.
Oh, okay.
Mounted them to the cage.
There, watch out.
Here, watch this. So when we go to the track, it fits perfect.
And now he can sit in it.
Now it puts him perfect to the steering wheel.
Now I fit.
That is crazy.
If I can fit.
I don't know what that seat is, but it looks expensive.
This one.
Yeah, I can imagine. All right, guys. So the mastermind behind all the cages. This is your day job, right?
Yeah, I worked on it.
Now you built all this.
Not all of it.
Not all of it.
No, I took a couple parts and put them together.
And this is dirt track. Yeah.
Yeah.
Too cool. Now the frame originally, what does that come from?
G-body.
Okay, like a Regal or a Monte Carlo, something like that. Uh-oh. We got chickens. You got any eggs? I'm hungry. No, I'm just kidding. This is awesome, dude. That's a lot of work. It's like a freaking jungle gym.
No flex in that.
No. Woo.
Really?
That is crazy. All right, boys, we are out of here. It's time. What are we doing? We doing Mexican food or?
No.
Oh, no, the Mexican place isn't even up. All right, guys, so we got to go get some lunch, and we got a lot of projects coming. Keep it tuned right here, boys. I'm telling you, there's so much going on. Make sure you're at Ford Takeover. Please give me a big thumbs up if you like this video, and that's it. Later.